Hey class, good morning. It is Tuesday, May 12th, and here are your learning targets brought to you by Mr. Coates. Please start with math board fractions. You're going to be adding fractions today. However, before you do that, I have a short video to show you how to fix something in your settings. You're going to want to do that, okay? So check out this video right after the learning targets. Then move on to Splash Math. You're going to be adding fractions in level 8. And today you have an exit ticket. It's just a review ticket, number 4. You've done 3 of them already. Just want to keep you reviewing some of the past math practices we've done. All right, so here I am in Math Board Fractions. We're going to be looking in the section today that says adding fractions right here. Before you click the play button, I want you to notice right up here in the top right corner here, there's a settings wheel. I want you to tap that settings wheel. When the menu pulls down, here's what you're going to change. I'm not sure what you're going to see at first, what is really checked here, but this is what you definitely want to have when you're done. No check, and where it says common denominators, please check that only, okay? The rest of this should be okay. 10 questions, we want elapsed time. That's up to you if you want your sound effects on or off. Multiple choice, so you can make a choice there. Your maximum value should be 1. Minimum denominator is a 2. Maximum denominator is a 16. But the most important, make sure common denominator is checked. And I'll do one example with you here. Take a look at this example, 4/7 plus 6/7. You know that you've got a common denominator, so that's nice to see. A 7, keep it. 6 plus 4, or 4 plus 6, however you want to look at that, would actually produce 10/7. If you notice, 10/7 is not one of your choice over there in your section of choices. So this is an improper fraction. Again, we're going to change that to a mixed number, okay? How do you do this again? Well, it's really a simple division problem. 7 goes into 10 one time. So you're going to do a 7 there. 10 minus 7, pretty simple, is a 3. That 3 becomes your numerator. 7 is your denominator. Okay, so I'm looking for 1 3/7. Another way you can think about this, 10/7 is an improper fraction. You know that you have at least 7/7 in there because you have a total of 10 of them. And so 10/7, if you took 7/7 away, you're going to have 3/7 left. Okay, so if you combine those together, you're going to get 10/7 again. You know that this 7/7 is the same as 1, and you got the 3/7. So that's what we're looking for as our final answer, 1 3/7 right there. And your next lesson today is in Splash Math, Level 8. Take a look. This is a snapshot of all my levels that I've assigned already. I have 3 stars on all of them. You should too. If you do not, that's makeup work that you have to make sure you get done because those have already been assigned. Let me give you a few examples on Level 8 today. You're going to see an example problem like this. Take a look. You've got 2/4. You're going to go up to the selector and select orange and represent 2/4. Change the selector to green. 3/4 will be added to that. Altogether, you have a total of 5/4. But you know that 5/4 is, again, an improper fraction. That's the same as 1 1/4. In this example, find the sum. That means you're going to add 2/4 plus 3/4. 2/4, you'll notice, is already highlighted in yellow to represent 2/4. 3/4 highlighted in orange to represent that. Notice you go over one whole. You actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fourths altogether, which is equivalent to 1 1/4. You would have checked this one right here. And today's exit ticket is another review. So some things that we've already done in math this year, just a few questions to stay on top of those kinds of practices. And those are your learning targets for today, Tuesday, May 12th. Please complete your fractions in Math Board. You're going to be adding, but make sure you change that setting. Splash Math, all levels 1 through 8 need to be by now. They should be done. And exit ticket review number 4. Please complete that today and enjoy the rest of your sunny afternoon.